US index this week has rise in value and reached an area 106.27, and then from there the price has bouncing back up and down on the daily time frame with the small candles not indicating any clear direction. We can see that the price has formed this bearish candle on Wednesday, trying to make a breakout to the lower side, but on a Thursday the price has returned back up. Then on a Friday we have a decision candle with a small body, with small wicks going up and down, which is unclear on the market. There is no bias in the sellers that could push the price in any direction. On the weekly time frame, this is just confirmation of this bullish breakout, where the price did not return back down below 105.50 and also below 104.94, indicating this is a bullish momentum currently formed on the chart. And also what you can see on the monthly time frame, this is a bullish breakout in the previous month, confirming this month also. But we have 10 more days until this month ends, so we have 1.5 more week until this closes, which should go to the lower time frames, weekly and the daily, to make any conclusions. But for now, we can see a very important level for the price. It will be around 105.65 on the monthly time frame. We can see this creating confluence of support and resistance, and on the upper side, we can see 106.70 is very important level on the monthly time frame in order to continue to rise in value. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. After the price has made a breakout, I am expecting for the price to reach at least an area here, which has been reached almost with a wick. We can see it here, the small wick. This will be important level for the weekly time frame, 106.70, in order to continue to rise in value. So this is very important level. We can see that the important level was also this one here and also this one here. We can see it here where the price was trying to make a breakout to the upper side, to the lower side on the weekly time frame with the small bodies. We can see it here, which will be a very important level. So we can see here 106.20 is important, and 106.70 is very important. To go on the daily time frame, we will see much more clearly how this looks. 106.70, it will be around this price level here. We can see it. 106.70 is very important for the price, and on the lower side we can see a very important level of 106.10, and also 106.0 is also a very important price level. So this is something that we can also fix on this chart. It will be around 106, a very important level, and this will be around 106.80. Just a minute, it is 80.90 on the daily time frame. Now it is much more clear to see how the price behaves around these price levels. Let's raise this a little bit up. Okay, and let's fix this one also here. Okay, this is not possible. Just a minute. Oh, here it is. Let's move this one also here, and let's put this one also here. Okay, I have adjusted these price levels just to be in line with the current market status. What I can see, it is a bullish breakout that has been confirmed, and also where the price is holding this support level. So for now, as it looks, at least for me, this looks the price will go to the upper side, reaching the start of this area, which is 106.70, a very important level. And we can see that usually what happens, the price reaches an area here and then retraces back down. So this is the next target I am expecting for the price. But if the price goes below this one price level, this will indicate a further decline down all the way to this first support level around 105.50. So if the breakout happens on the low side, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders with the daily analysis. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.